Hello and welcome back to another room tour. If you're new here, my name is Catherine. I'm from Lux Life London and I give you the latest luxury hotel room tours from hotels around the world. So today I'm at Bovey Castle on Dartmoor in Devon in England. If you don't know where Devon is, it's basically this huge, incredible castle in the middle of the countryside in the moors. It is stunning. Like, you guys, I have to show you this view because, oh my God, like, look. This is the view from the window. Let me turn you around. This is the view. I'm going to open the window. There we go. You can see, oh my goodness. Like, look. That is the view from this humongous window inside my suite. So let me tell you a little bit more. Okay, so I'm in a suite. I don't know what suite it is. I will find out and drop a link down below to the suite that I'm in. So let me just show you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is amazing. So we come in through this door. Let me turn you around. So you come in through the door and you've got this little hallway. And there is Frank, because this is a dog-friendly hotel. But you come in and the bedroom is through here, and you have this stunning bedroom with this humongous bed. I'm pretty sure that's a super king size bed, with a TV there and cute, these very plush, I'm just gonna sit, oh, that's a comfortable chair. And then they have homemade sloe gin here, which they make on site. And look at this view from the bed. Look at it. Look. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. And then you come back around here to the bathroom, and it is this ginormous bath and bathroom. So you can literally sit in the bath and stare at that view. How incredible is that? I mean, look at it. Look. That is what you're staring at from the bath. Just absolutely stunning. You've got a nice big sink here. You've also got a lovely little amenity box with flannels, and then literally everything you need, from a sewing kit to an aromatic cleansing bar, which I guess is soap, and then the usual shampoo, conditioner, and yes. So that's all in there. Then you've also got this big, huge shower in the corner as well. There's Frank again. And then we come back out this way, and this is the big main room. So you've got big sofa, coffee table. Here we have some little treats. How cute is this? Oh my God, I'm so excited to eat those. And then in here, this is tea. Oh, if I can open it. I said this is the tea making. So this is the tea chest. Oh, okay. I can't let go of it because it's going to fall backwards with the plates in it. But you've got this huge selection of teas. Let me close it and let me just give you a closer look. So we've got an English breakfast tea. We have Earl Grey, green, chamomile, rose hip and hibiscus. I need to try this one because I love hibiscus tea. Here we have luxury hot chocolate. Yum. And then we've got coffee as well, and some cute little biscuits. And then you've also got some apples in case you want something healthy. And then over here you've got the little desk area, and they have a Dyson fan which can be hot or cold. And then of course the phone, plug points, different plug points here. And then we've got the big closet space. So this huge closet in here, which is pretty huge. So I mean, I think it's big. Excuse me, Frank. What are you doing there? Get down. You naughty boy. Get down. Oh, you're so cheeky, Frank. They do also provide a dog bed and he's got a little treat there. A dog bed with bowls, so he's got a food bowl there, a water. I've just put that water bowl over there because he doesn't really like bowls near his bed because he's fussy like that. So I'm just going to put those there. But yeah, and then they provide a dog bed. I did bring Frank's bed and blankets with me anyway, though. So yeah, this is the whole grand room. And this room is number 50. So yeah, if you like this room and you want to stay here, ask for number 50. And I'm sure they will oblige and give it to you if you ask nicely. But honestly, I cannot get over this view. Like, look. Oh my gosh. It is just stunning. I am like in awe. So I'm gonna love you and leave you now. I'm gonna sit here and stare at this view while I drink my hibiscus and rosehip tea, and then I'm gonna go downstairs for some dinner. So yeah, anyway, if you've enjoyed this, if you're new here, please subscribe, and I will have lots more luxury room tours very soon. I also do travel vlogs and guide videos if that's more your thing. And yeah, so subscribe and I will see you very soon. Bye!